Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to reset the password of your Instagram account if you forgot it. So to reset Instagram password, launch your Instagram app. Then here on the login page you need to click on Forgot Password. Now here enter your Instagram account username or email or phone number to find out your account. Here I am going to enter my Instagram username. And then click on Find Account. After that your Instagram account will appear here. Since we have forgotten our Instagram account password, so we will click on Forgot Password again. Now click on No longer have access to these option. Here you can see your recovery account that is connected to your Instagram account. From here you can select any one account, which you can currently access. I'm gonna choose phone number, which is send a SMS or voice call for verification code. Collect verification code from SMS or voice call. After collecting the code, enter here. And now enter the new password you want for your Instagram account. Then retype the new password. Once done you can now click on Reset Password. And password changed successfully. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to get more update video, please hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications icon.